I'm Adam, your GEO and AEO expert, and today we are looking at two vastly different tools built to win in the generative era. SurgeGraph, a massive content engine, and PromptWatch, a highly technical analytics platform. Let's break down their features and see which one deserves a spot in your 2026 tech stack. Let's start with SurgeGraph. Feature number 1 is AI visibility tracking. This monitors how your brand and target keywords perform across ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews, giving you a clear visibility score, sentiment analysis, and competitor citation breakdown. Feature number 2 is the AEO Content Hub and Vertex AI Writer. Instead of just showing raw data, SurgeGraph instantly writes long-form, highly structured articles up to 5,000 words that are specifically optimized with schema markup and custom knowledge for LLMs. Feature number 3 is MCP and agentic workflows. SurgeGraph integrates with Model Context Protocol, allowing you to connect over 45 exposed capabilities into autonomous AI agents that rewrite pages and run AEO optimizations automatically. Now let's look at PromptWatch. Feature number 1 is prompt tracking. It tracks your brand's true share of voice and sentiment across top models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity using real user queries. Feature number 2 is agent analytics and crawler logs. PromptWatch provides raw data on how AI systems interact with your site, letting you see exactly when bots like GPT-bot discover and process your content. Feature number 3 is universal developer access. Unlike most enterprise tools, PromptWatch includes full API and MCP access on every single paid plan, allowing you to connect AI insights directly into your custom dashboards. Feature number 4 is content agents with workflow. PromptWatch maps your existing content against AI responses to find gaps. It then uses custom briefs, pulling from Google Search, YouTube transcripts, and live web scrapes to generate Git-diff-style update suggestions to perfectly optimize your current pages. When we look at pricing, SurgeGraph offers massive value. Their Spark plan starts at just $39 a month. Their Scale plan is $79. And their top signature plan sits at $129 a month to unlock daily updates and full MCP agentic workflows. PromptWatch operates as a self-serve SaaS with a 7-day free trial. Their Essential plan starts at $95 a month. Their Professional tier jumps to $245 for crawler analytics and city-level tracking. And their Business plan sits at $579 a month. So, what is the verdict? While PromptWatch offers fantastic crawler analytics and highly technical content workflows, SurgeGraph is the clear overall winner because it provides robust multi-model visibility tracking, generates massive 5,000-word AEO articles natively, and unlocks full MCP workflows at a fraction of the price. It is simply the smarter investment for growth teams. Now, if you are looking for an alternative, there is RadarKit, starting at $29 a month. RadarKit is an AI search tracking and content optimization platform built around UI-based visibility monitoring. It tracks your local business in AI search with local radar, pulling appearance rates, exact ranking positions, and competing business metrics across 50+ countries using real residential IPs. RadarKit also offers a suite of 5 AI agents for content and outreach on autopilot. The Reddit agent monitors niche threads that LLMs rely on, while the outreach agent automatically identifies high-authority domains citing your competitors, drafts a brand-aligned pitch, and sends it directly via your connected Gmail to secure citations. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more GEO and AI search strategies.